Okay, so this is my Telescope Basics B project. This is my telescope right here. So today we're going to learn how to look through the red dot finder at the bottom of the telescope right here. Today we're going to be using the 6.3 millimeter eyepiece. So first off, what you want to do to find your object is you want to line up your viewfinder with your object. Our object is these blue trash cans over here. Alright, so you're going to look down. You're going to look into the viewfinder. Alrighty, come on, focus. Alrighty. Focus right there. I don't know why it's wanting to focus on the fingerprint. Alright, so as you can see, I'm sorry, the focus is a little blurry, but the dot is a little bit lower. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this knob up here to move it upwards. So we're going to move that dot upwards. Alright, so we moved it upwards, and now it's a little bit too much to the right, so we're going to move it to the left. So the dot is on the trash can. Ooh, there we go. Alright, and we're still a little low. Alright, so we are on a little bit. So now, let's see, let's move it up just a little. Alright, so now it looks like we are on the trash can. So let's look through our telescope. Look through our telescope. Let's see. Alright, so we are too far over, so we need to use these knobs to move the telescope. This one moves it up and down. This one moves it left and right. So now I'm going to adjust the telescope, and we are going to be able to see the trash cans. Alrighty, so now that I have adjusted it, when you look through, alright, so now that we can look through the telescope, we can see the number on the trash can right there. Alrighty, so that is the number on the trash can, and as a reminder, this is the 6.3 millimeter eyepiece. And now let's try it with the 9 millimeter eyepiece. Alright, so now that we've moved locations so I can look at another object using my 9 millimeter eyepiece, we are going to look at this sign by my neighbor's house. And we're going to start off again by looking through our viewfinder. Alright, and it's a little low and to the right, so we're going to move to the left a little bit and move it up. Alright, so it looks like the dot is on the sign. So now we're going to go through and we're going to look through the telescope to see where we are at. So we are very close. We are looking at the bushes to the right of the sign. So we're going to have to make some adjustments using our slight adjustment knobs. So this one moves it up and down, and this one moves it left to right again. Alrighty, so now that we have done that, you should be able to see the sign. Right there, it says Full Service Barbershop. And that concludes my Telescope Basics B project.